Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change home screen layouts on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. In settings, okay, scroll down and go to home screen, lock screen, and wallpaper. Okay, tap this. And okay guys, here you can see the home screen settings. Okay, tap the home screen settings. And home screen settings, you can see the home screen layouts. And the home screen layouts is set into 5x6. And okay guys, to change this, you'll have to do is tap the home screen layout. And you can see below the option, the 4x5 and the 4x6. And I decide to change into 4x5. Okay, tap the 4x5 to change into 4x5 the home screen layout. And after that, okay, tap the apply button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the home screen layout on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.